Alright, welcome to today's video, and for today's video, we are gonna attempt to make $600 just by typing names. And apparently, we will be earning $60 per page from typing names. Alright, so that sounds really exciting. I don't know if that is true or not, but you know what? We are all here to find out whether this particular video works or not. Alright, you know what? That's enough talking. And let's do this!
Imagine earning up to $600 each day by just inputting names online. How incredible is that? Here's how it works then. You will receive money for writing one word or one name such as Michael and Bill. This is an excellent opportunity, and here is your potential income. You may receive $20 for typing pages of names, $100 for typing 5 pages, and $400 each day for typing 20 pages. The best aspect is that there is no limit. You may earn as much money as you want by typing as much as you want. Pay close attention to the word rate, which in this case is 10 cents every word typed. For instance, here is the first page of the project. Here is the second page. And here's the third page. And each of these pages contains approximately 300 words. You may be compensated for entering names, so allow us to show you this website where you may make $20 for writing 300-word articles. You can receive up to 20 pages per day, which implies that you can easily make up to $400 or even $600 per day by typing names on this website. First and foremost, we want you to go to this website, talentdesire.com.
Alright, so welcome to talentdesire.com, and this is the website where we will be earning $600 typing names. Okay, so hopefully our dream will not stay as dreams only. Our dream career will start now. Alright, so as you scroll down, this is how it works. We explore jobs, we get hired, we start work, and we can collect earnings. So it's pretty cool that we can collect earnings from PayPal to wire transfer and more, which is what we most commonly use. And as you scroll down, this is the worldwide popular jobs for us, right? So there are a couple of them, including online proofreading jobs, freelance blogging jobs, language translation jobs, online paid surveys, and the list goes on and on. But as you already know, for this video, we're going to follow exactly whatever that video says. So it's going to be online typing jobs. So we're just going to carry on with the online typing jobs section, and we can hopefully earn up to $45 to $90 or more per day. If you can even hit this number by today, hey, then it's a mission success. I hope so. I do hope so. Alright, so let's go ahead and resume with the video to see what the next step.
A typing certificate will enhance your sales and earnings per page, which is why you need one. For example, if you wish to earn $20 each page typed, you must have the certification. This is the best secret because if you have the certificate proving that you can type, you will be accepted much more quickly and it will have more high-paying connections and unlimited career opportunities. Consequently, you can earn $400 or even $600 per day by simply inputting names. Your accuracy should be between 98 and 99.9%, regardless whether you make spelling or typing errors. The greater your precision, the more money you will earn. By taking a typing test and acquiring a certificate on this website, you can demonstrate your typing speed and accuracy, thereby increasing your payout rate rapidly.
Alright, so we are at ratatype.com, which is a typing tutor website, and according to the video, this website will allow us to check our typing speed, right? It will allow us to test our speed of typing, and then after doing the typing test, we will be able to earn this certificate. So the certificate over here, this is how it looks like. So upon completion of the typing test, we will be presented with, how accurate our typing is and how fast our typing is. So I believe this certificate will definitely be of benefit to the jobs that we'll be applying for, especially when it comes to the online typing jobs that we are looking out for this video. Alright, so definitely makes sense. And as you've seen earlier, for the online typing job section under talent desire, there are actually tiers to it. So there's like the beginner level, expert level, advanced level, if I'm not wrong. So if you can prove that we have a certain level of typing proficiency, so I believe that would allow us to earn more. So that will most likely help us earn $600. That's what we want. That's what's up. All right. So you know what? What I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna go ahead and sign up for an account at RataType, and then I'll go for my certificate. All right. So I'll get back to you guys after I'm done with it. All right. As you can see, I am certified by RataType. So this is my basic certificate issued to Bo for typing in English. So this is my speed. I believe this is words per minute, if I'm not wrong, and I have an accuracy of 95.9%. Alright, so let me know in the comment section how much you guys got. Alright, so yeah, after this, I will get back to the video and see what are the next steps.
Where you can begin the application process. Now, once you reach the page, scroll below to see the following. Choose an application and then click this red link, and you will be directed to this page, which has an online application for work from home. Scroll to the bottom of the page and locate the red link that reads, "Apply and work for us by providing your information."
Alright, so I'm over at talentdesire.com again. I'm gonna go ahead and sign up right now for the online typing jobs. Alright, so I'm done registering, and apparently I'm done. So I sent them my application and they will be in touch soon. So let's hope that they get in touch with me soon, at least like an email confirmation or something like that. Or because I've already given them my phone number and my email address. So I should, or I hope that I at least get some form of confirmation where my application has been sent successfully. And hopefully there are like some follow-ups from their part as well. Alright, that's it. This is for the steps from the video. Apparently all the video said was that I just have to apply from talentdesire.com, and then after that what I'll have to do is I have to go and get my certificate from RataType. And then once I achieve the certificate, I didn't see any place for me to submit my certificate from RataType at Talent Desire. There is no form of attachment at the website itself. So I'm not too sure how they're gonna determine my expertise level. Like, am I a beginner? Am I intermediate, advanced, or expert? I'm not too sure how they're gonna do that. Maybe, hopefully, they might get back to me, and then once they email back to me, hopefully I can reply to them with my attachment, or maybe they'll ask some form of proof from the email. So maybe we will communicate over there. I'm guessing that's what it's gonna be, because there's no form of communication ever since I registered for my application at Talent Desire. So right now, all I can do is just wait, I suppose, because according to the video, these are the steps that I have to take. So I will definitely let you guys know whether they reply me in any topic. Yeah, but as of now, that's it. That's all there is to it. So just go ahead and wait, I guess, and hopefully it's good news from them, and I'll be able to earn $600 just by typing names. Sounds too good to be true though. I'm having my doubts right now, but hopefully, fingers crossed that I have some form of reply from them. Alright, so if you guys try this method, please let me know at the comment section down below. Let all of us know and share whatever results that we might have from this particular method. And yeah, no money today, $0, no $600, not even $6, no 6 cents. Alright, so it is what it is, and I'll make sure to update you guys. That's all there is to it, and peace.